touch the leaves and wave goodbye. Four stripy zebras, black and white, galloping fast, what a sight. Five hippos resting in the sun, splashing water just for fun. Six lions playing by the tree, happy and wild, so full of glee. Seven clever foxes in the den, peeking out and hiding again. Eight big bears with honey sweet, clap their paws and tap their feet. Nine more zebras come to play, dancing stripes all through the day. 10